African champion for today, like I mentioned earlier, is coming from Nigeria. We're talking about Hauwa Ibrahim. Hold on.
African champions.
African champion.
African champions.
African champions.
I can't believe I was going ahead of the train. So, our African champion for today is Hauwa Ibrahim from Nigeria.
You be champion.
Indeed. Now, Hauwa Ibrahim happens to be an international human rights and Sharia law lawyer. She's also a senior partner at Aries Law Firm, and she works there as a lead attorney with a team devoted to the cause of human rights for women. Very, very important. Now, Hauwa Ibrahim is currently working on multidisciplinary and collaborative exploration of the root causes of terrorism, radicalization of youth, and she's also building bridges of cooperation between religious and non-religious communities, which is another important peace building bloc in countries. Now, Hauwa has defended over 150 cases that involved women who were sentenced to death by stoning and children who were sentenced to amputation of limbs under the Sharia law. She was brought up in a small village in northern Nigeria, and Hauwa was born into a culture that did not encourage schooling for girls beyond elementary school. Now, through sheer persistence and the gracious support she had from others, she was able to attend Teachers High School for Women, the local university in Jos, Nigeria, and she continued to law school. Now, prior to launching her legal practice in the year 1966, she was a prosecutor in the Ministry of Justice in Bauchi State. Hauwa has also taught at Harvard University, University of Rome, and over a dozen universities around the world. She is the founder of the project Mothers Without Borders, and it focuses solely on diverting youth from extremism. Now, in 2014, President Jonathan of Nigeria invited her back to Nigeria so she could actually partake in the efforts of rescuing the Chibok schoolgirls who had been kidnapped then by the Boko Haram. Now, she was also invited by His Royal Highness Prince Hassan bin Talal of Jordan in 2015, and in 2017 she was invited by the acting president of Nigeria to assist with allegations of human rights abuses against the Nigerian armed forces. Hauwa happens to be a member of the groundbreaking Global Information and Democracy Commission. It's a panel of 25 prominent figures that were formed by Reporters Without Borders in September 2018, and they drafted an international declaration on information and democracy. She also serves as a consultant to many human rights and non-governmental organizations. Hauwa Ibrahim happens to be an awardee of the European Parliament Sakharov Prize for Freedom of Thoughts in the year 2005. Now, with all of this, you understand why we're crowning her African champion. And everybody here, we just want to tell you, Hauwa Ibrahim, that
You are an African champion.
Enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.